Hi guys, we are just going to go over what you guys are working on today. So hopefully you have already submitted your homework because at this point now the deadline is passed. If you try to go into it now, it will still allow you to do it and you can still work on problems, but you won't get credit for it. So that would just be for a study or review option for you. So also in addition to that homework assignment, typically you would have a pre-class assignment. I know it's a lot of work, but you guys can handle this. But because I'm not here today, you're going to do the pre-class assignment during class. So just to remind you how to get there, when you're in your flashline, go to Blackboard. Click on this class. And your assignment today is Module 2, Investigation 1, pre-class assignment. So Module 2, here's your checklist of everything we'll do in Module 2, but we're going to go to Investigation 1, Quantities and Covariation of Quantities. Again, there's a description of what you're doing, the objectives at the end, what you should be able to do, and then what you want to look at here is your before class stuff. So it says number 1, use reading guide M2I1. Anytime it references something that's not underlined, you're going to want to look for it down here. Okay, so you're going to click on that. And so this opens Pathways Reading Guide 2.1, Module 2, Investigation 1. Please read Module 2, Section 1 in your ebook, pages 1 through 11. Click on Module 2, then text. Be sure to watch the videos on page 6 and 11. So you can see that statement right there is also right here. Okay? It links directly to your ebook. But finishing the reading guide, it says be sure to read with a pencil in hand and attempt the examples before you read the solution given. You really need to be doing that. That's how you're going to learn the information. I don't expect you to have 100% comprehension of everything in the section, but spending significant time trying to understand the main ideas will assist you as you get to the investigation in class. And then it goes through some key ideas and things that you should be able to do. So this reading guide is just that. It is a guide to what you're doing. But what you're actually going to do, going back to Blackboard here, read this in your ebook and it links to your ebook. So if you click on that, if you go to the screen products, click on the book. Now yours is going to look a little different because mine's the instructor edition, but it tells you exactly what to do. Click on Module 2 and then text. So here's Module 2. Click on text. And it is asking us to read pages 1 through 11. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to read through this, and as you're reading, do it as this is saying. Read with a pencil in your hand, attempting examples before you read solutions, taking notes of anything that you need to as you're reading. Okay, so you're reading 1 through 11, pages 1 through 11. And it also says, both in the reading guide and on Blackboard, make sure you watch the videos that are on page 6 and 11. So remember, this textbook is interactive. This ebook is interactive. So if you come across links or videos, you need to actually watch them. Right here, click here to watch the video. Now say you're reading and you somehow skip that. They've also very kindly linked those videos right here. I have to allow that to run. So if you somehow skip them in your book, they've given you another link to watch them here. Then finally, that is all like you're studying, you're getting the information, you're preparing, and then you're going to complete PC pre-class 1 on iMathis in the Module 2 folder. So click on iMathis. There's your direct link again. Module, let me look at it as a student, Module 2, and here's your pre-class assignment. Notice it is not near as long as a homework assignment. This is basically just to show that you have actually read through, done the notes, you've prepared yourself with all of the reading that they asked you to do, and you're just going to give your answers on here. Okay? Notice when I put this deadline, It is not due until Tuesday when we come back. So you have the entire period to work on this stuff now, to go ahead and start taking your notes, reading through the textbook, um, and then whenever you are finished with all of that, to do this pre-class assignment. It is due Tuesday when we come back from break. So this is your one and only assignment over the whole next week and a half. Read through Module 2, Investigation 1, do the pre-class assignment, all the reading and the assignment. When you go to do your assignment, there are still unlimited attempts here. Okay, so you can see that. So if you want to go in and change something, you can still do that. Okay? If you have any questions, I'll be back here after third period. So if you want to stop in at any point later in the day, if there's anything that you need to know or any questions you have, please come see me and let me know. And if I don't see you, have a wonderful break. And I hope that you guys enjoy the fair.